What's up, everybody? This is LightningDude42 here, back to do another reaction video for you guys. I do apologize if there was no reaction yesterday. That's because, well, I've been watching the World Cup. France against Belgium, and France won. Also, I want to hear your thoughts about who you think will win the World Cup, because this has been fun. Anyways, the video we're going to be reacting to is a spin build theme one. It's Mr. Krubby Krabby Avenges Pearl Harbor. This is a very popular video. This already has like 3 million views as I'm seeing right now. And it should be good. Alright, let's start the video. 3, 2, 1, go.
Are you ready, kids?
I'm ready, Freddy.
Ready! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Sorbent and yellow and porous is yellow and porous is yellow and porous is.
What do you like better, the coral bitch or the oysters nacho?
I like
Neither.
Can I take your order?
Shell.
Well, how about the barnacle rings?
Barnacle man! What will you have?
Your mom.
Sir, let's just get this out of the way. I hate Swedish people. Now, what do you want?
Why do you hate Swedish people?
I like Squidward.
Okay.
Let's go get a Krabby
Whoa, why is your head so big?
That'll be $1.
$1.
What's going on?
Nuclear launch detected.
Okay.
We interrupt this program with some breaking
Okay.
This is
Game
my
average.
$1 earned. Every crab's goal in life is to make $1. And now I got crabs. Congratulations,
face.
sir. Me have just given you my $1.
Huh, great. Well, what do I win?
Nothing. Now get out. What?
What?
Oh god.
Everybody get out! They're spoiling me moments! A crew
Stop
like
it.
you comes along maybe once in a lifetime.
Ugh.
And to reward you for helping me make me $1, I'm taking you on an acid trip.
That's a trip.
Stop tripping, Mr. Krabs. I can't believe it, Mr. Krabs. Where are we going? 2, 4,
TF2.
1, no.
What?
Try
Is
it
it one
again.
knuckle?
Oh, clam fishing. Better than that.
Hey
This
Patrick.
is stupid. This is the reward we get for all our hard work. Fishing for stinky clams in a smelly
On
old
the
bowl.
filthy lagoon.
Postcode behind 2 secret walls under fire.
Under the sea.
Under the
Oh,
sea.
Come on now, Squidward. 3 fellas at sea with nothing to do but no. And a thing. Right now.
But Squidward, why are you being Hitler?
Hey, watch where you're swinging that.
Damn, you've been working out, Squidward. Damn. That hurt. Oh,
Okay,
Lord.
I've had enough. Don't bring anything
That
on a
sounds
boat
gone?
that you ain't prepared
That
to
that
lose.
Soviet Union or communist?
Oh, $1. Reel it in before I'll kill you.
Cute hole, yeah.
SpongeBob, quick, reel it in. Can't you hear the music? That's a 4/4 string ostinato in D minor.
No, it's not.
Every sailor knows it means that. Reel it in before it's too late. I lost.
I've never seen Mr. Krabs so broken up.
What is that?
Oh, Pug, please. He's such a queen.
Thumbnail.
Mr. Krabs. It's just a double $1.
Just
leave the old man. He won't notice. Wait right here. Serious?
What?
Serious. Okay.
The Nazis are the enemy. Wade into that. Spill their blood. Shoot them in the belly.
Okay.
Aye, Captain!
We're going to cut out their living guts and use them to grease the treads of our tanks.
More.
That's it. I'm finished. We've been here for 3 days.
We've been stuck up here for 3 days.
3
Haven't
days!
gotten a nibble. This is hopeless.
Yeah, and I've got to get home to feed Gary.
Oh god. I think Gary's gonna get
We're
screwed.
gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna.
Oh, fishing blimey!
That hurt my ears.
This isn't me $1.
Yes, it is.
This is an ordinary $1,000,000 that's been kissed up, crumbled slightly, soaked in a lagoon.
Human sacrifice, dogs and cats living together. Fastest
That's
Harry.
from
I
Ghostbusters.
trusted you, and you gave me this. No. We will not be swayed by no. I see. Then I guess I have no choice but to offer a reward.
What do I win?
Nothing!
Drawing patterns with the cork on the tablecloth.
I have no choice but to offer a reward. You're kidding.
Woo! Is it another trip?
Not again.
No.
Nope.
A sandwich? You expect me to break my balls for a sandwich?
What will do
You
you
expect me to
break my balls?
balls? Not a sandwich. These.
Heavy.
Whatever. We've got plenty more to...
That
Now
hurt.
I think we understand each other. Nobody eats until
Nobody
nobody
eats.
eats. Can I have a word with you? Have you noticed that Mr. Krabs has gone?
Completely insane.
What do you mean?
Just look at him.
You're right.
You two learn how
How
to
do we get
say
out of
it, not
here?
spray, Mr.
We're
Krabs.
real quiet.
Surprise, motherfucker!
If that clam didn't come before, what makes you think he'll come now? Oh, he'll come.
You will do as I tell you.
Mr. Krabs, listen. I work with SpongeBob all day long, so I know what I'm talking about when I say I've always sort of liked you.
Okay, hold on. Ooh. Keep moving.
Closer, closer.
I said I'm gonna get close to you.
Aha! Hello, boys. Have you boys met Meme Dollar?
Wow! How'd you get it back?
Eventually, we settled on a reward.
Is
Reward.
it another fishing trip?
No. Eventually, we settled on a trade.
What'd you give him?
Coral blue number 2 semi-gloss lipstick.
What'd you give him?
Nothing! Now get out! If you
Alright, so that was Mr. Krubby Krabby. Krubby Krabby Avenges Pearl Harbor. I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction. If you want me to do more, subscribe to this channel, like and comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys later. It's LightningDude42 signing off.